All right, YouTube, what's up? Two Guns Tony here, and I'm off the motorcycle right now because I want to show you the suspension setup that I have on my Harley. I know I did a video about this last week, but I think that video was an absolute garbage fire in audio quality. So I'm going to redo it right now. We're not going to go up to the canyons or twist it around again. I think the video was pretty good last week. The audio was absolutely garbage, so I wanted to get an off the bike look so you guys can see the Russ Wernimont rear shock, how it lifts the bike up, and what the Legends inverted front fork cartridges look like. So here we are, 2020 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. All right, so I put the Russ Wernimont Designs rear shock in the back, and underneath the thrashing bags, you can see that it pretty much clears the tire. The fender clears the tire almost completely off of it. It's they say like an 1.5-inch lift. So yeah, I think I'd agree with that. Yeah. All right. We come up here, Legends front forks. All right. I said in the other video, if you heard it, that I didn't install these. I did install the Russ Wernimont shock myself, but I don't do install videos because I'm terrible and it takes me a long time. But I had these put on by Harley-Davidson Bigs. We're going to stop by there later. But I had them installed because you need a special tool, I guess, to get a castle nut out of the bottom of the fork tubes. All right, come around, Moon's MC headlight. Moon's MC auxiliary light. I still have the stock headlight in there. More on that to come. And if you come down here, you can see you had to delete the chain guard, and there's where you put the remote reservoir right there. Awesome, huh? I'm loving this bike. I'm loving this suspension setup. I hope you at least got to see me throw it around some turns on the last video. Just put it on mute when you watch it. And hopefully this audio comes out better. I got home, and when I went to take my helmet off and do everything, I realized that my microphone had slipped down below and into kind of like the bottom where the chin curtain is, so it picked up a lot of wind noise. I think I corrected the issue with a little Velcro today, but we're gonna get on this bike, and I'm feeling like a Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, so this is a big shout out to Suburban Delinquent, who goes out and tries all sorts of delicious food. He had a whole series on finding the best Philly cheesesteak sandwich, and in this video I'm going to show you what I believe to be the best Philly cheesesteak sandwich in Southern California. All right, let's get after it. After I tie my shoe. Okay, well, here's the big test as I'm out here on internet speed. Oh, God. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right. Here we are out on the 78, testing out my fix if I Velcroed the mic in the right spot, and hopefully the audio just doesn't sound like you're caught in a wind tunnel with me. Although my helmet sounds like I'm caught in a wind tunnel with me. But the place we're going to is Philly Franks in San Marcos. Philly Franks in San Marcos, California. It's a really interesting place. I think the family that owns it or runs it is a transplant, like a lot of people in San Diego are transplants from other parts of the country. I mean, why would you not want to come to San Diego where beautiful riding season all year round? But it's got all sorts of Philadelphia stuff all over it. Eagles, it's a big Eagle spot. They play the games there. Of course, the Phillies. It's what would you say, eclectic? Is it eclectic? I don't know if that's how I describe it. But you can tell right away that you're dealing with some authentic Philly cheesesteak. All right? I actually threw this in a comment a couple times to Suburban Delinquent when I watched his videos when he was doing the the Philly cheesesteak reviews and told him he's got to come down here and try this out. He comes down to San Diego every once in a while in his videos. I seen him at the Red Rooster burger place down in Oceanside. I don't know. Suburban Delinquent, Sub D, my man. If you watch this video or someone tags you in it or you end up seeing this video, come on down and let's try some Philly... Woo, I can't talk today. Try some Philly cheesesteak down here in San Marcos. I need to run up to Bob and leave him some more gifts. I can say that the visual quality of my vlogs have gotten a lot better since I've started using this ND filter. And today is like the perfect opportunity to test this ND filter because there's hardly any clouds in the sky. The sun is right above us, beating down on this road. And yeah, this would be a good opportunity. Motorcycle. Nice little Indian Scout pass back there. I almost ended up on an Indian Scout instead of the Street Bob. I just watched that whole Blockhead series on the new FTR, man. Makes me want another one so bad. I thought it was really interesting in the conversation where the vice president, that was the guy they were talking to, the vice president, he was talking about how, you know, there's still young riders out there that don't have any brand loyalty. And of course they're, you know, not talking about the elephant in the room, but Harley-Davidson, you know, takes up a huge market share of that V-twin market. And, you know, that they're just focused on building bikes that are going to appeal to, you know, newer riders, younger riders, that haven't been sort of, that haven't developed a brand loyalty to Harley-Davidson. I think they're doing a good job at it, to be honest with you, because even me, as someone who I guess you would call a Harley fanboy, I was even considering an Indian for a while. But I mean, come on, look at this thing. Look at this. Harley-Davidson Low Rider. Oh my gosh, I need gas. Let's get some gas. That was a good series. I was thinking about streaming again, going back to some streaming, maybe doing a little bit of video games. But mostly I was thinking about seeing if you guys would be interested in joining me while I watch other, you know, moto vlogs. Watch a motor vlogger live stream other moto vloggers. And sort of, I don't know, I watch their videos for inspiration, and especially like her two wheels, as you know, things are getting warmer out there in the Midwest. You know, she's getting back out there and riding, and you know, her videos have been coming along really well. I'm really excited to see Jordan's Sportster Scramble. I mean, that's an idea that, I mean, I've even tossed around. Woo, let's scoot in here. Hi. So yeah, a lot of you know, Marvel kids coming back on. He's doing rides again. I don't know. I really got to hand it to FXDLS Brooklyn, and man, he's banked so much footage that he's been able to basically survive the cold Brooklyn winter. And from what I understand, I guess it's been a lot of snow, been really cold this year, been really bad out there as far as weather goes, and still kept up with his upload schedule and put out some really good content. I mean, like, how do you have that much content banked? That's incredible to me. So this is it, Philly Frank's steaks. I gotta tell you, it doesn't look like anything special, but I gotta tell you, when it comes to food in Southern California, one thing I figured out is the most unassuming places where you get the best food, right? That sort of taco stand that's like at the corner, that place right there. Best tacos you ever had. This is going to be great. All right, let's go in and check it out. How we doing? Good. Can I get a Works? Mixed peppers? And no, yeah, grilled onions. No cheese whiz. No, I want cheese. The provolone cheese. Yep. All right, and that's. I'm gonna eat it outside. Or Tony. That's it. All right, here it is. Philly Frank's Works deliciousness right here. Pure deliciousness. Oh man, what a good sandwich. I was really hungry too. I scarfed that sandwich down. Super good. Philly cheesesteak sandwich there. Highly recommend. If you're in the San Marcos, North County, San Diego area, hungry for some Philly cheesesteak, you should definitely come out and check this place out. 100% worth it. But now, we go get some go-go juice. Let's see. I think I can get over that now. Up here. Rancho Santa Fe gas. What are we charging for gas these days? $4 a gallon? Okay, that's a little weird. Is this yours? Is that yours? No? Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to come over here. Was that influencers caught in the wild? Look at this guy. He's dropping his little barbershop stickers all over this gas station. Taking pictures. Him and his girlfriend. Oh, yeah. Man, whatever you got to do to promote yourself, I guess. Here I am making YouTube videos. But you should check it out. That Influencers in the Wild Instagram page. It's definitely worth a laugh. The old John Maxwell trick. Whoop! There we go. All right. Off to Harley-Davidson to see what's new over there. Well, I guess this is where I could start doing my outro and tell you that, I work on these videos pretty hard. I spend a lot of time on them. I'm trying to improve every video I put out, every vlog I put out. I try to do something a little bit better, work on one thing. And my biggest hassle has been my audio. I've learned a lot from watching other YouTubers, other moto vloggers. What is it? One Down, Gene Up. She's got awesome audio quality, and her channel's like fairly new and doing very well. She's also in the Ohio area. making great content. Just awesome to watch. A lot of these YouTubers grow, and like I was talking about earlier, if you want to join me and watch these moto vlogs live on YouTube together, I think I'm gonna do a stream like that where maybe I'll play a little Tarkov or World of Warcraft, but the majority of the stream will just, be us watching other moto vloggers together. So I can be inspired to get out here and work harder, make these vlogs better for you. In my last video I said I'm not really an expert on suspension setups, and I can't give you all the details, the performance details. It's not why I bought this suspension setup. I bought it because I wanted a stiffer ride. I wanted a little bit more height and a little bit more lean in the turns on the canyons. I told the parts guy that. I've talked on internet forums and Facebook groups about it, and this was the setup that I felt would meet my needs. I tried to give you my first impressions, my feel of it, but you know how that goes. All I could say right now is that this bike just feels so much more planted than it did with the stock setup. I highly recommend this Russ Wernimont Designs rear shock and the Legends front fork. Both are excellent products. There's Josh's bike right there. Dyna. I highly recommend these products if you're thinking about upgrading your suspension. You should definitely check them out. I'm here at Biggs Harley-Davidson, about to go stop in, say hi to my buddy Josh, see what's up, and hopefully not spend too much money or buy another bike. Take it easy, YouTube. I'm Two Guns Tony. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things that help move this channel along. I just hit 250 viewers. That's insane. 250 viewers. Thanks for being a part of this. Thanks for helping out. Have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Just came up and I saw this silver Low Rider S sitting out here. Something tells me this is a used bike, but it's got all the S&S goodies on it. Look, S&S pipe, that's California legal. It's got the cat still in it. Really nice saddleman seat. That's what I used to have. This is the Russ Wernimont Designs front fairing too. I like that. I think it's called FXRT fairing. And these might be the Kahuna grips, but this is an interesting style with the sort of mini apes on them. I like it. Like it a lot. Man, if you're out here in San Marcos or Southern California, you're looking for a turnkey, I mean, this bike is just ready to go. It might have a different rear shock. No, that's the stock rear shock that's in it. You got the Screaming Eagle, spark plug wires, nice. It's a cool bike. It's a cool bike. Come see my buddy Josh. Talk to him about it.